If you're considering BuzzSumo for social media management and analytics, it's crucial to know exactly what you're getting into. While it offers powerful tools, it might not be the right fit for everyone. Here are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. First off, BuzzSumo shines when it comes to content research and tracking social media performance. If you're looking to dive deep into trends, competitors' content, or want to discover the best performing articles in your niche, BuzzSumo is definitely a top contender. Compared to competitors like Sprout Social or Hootsuite, BuzzSumo's content analysis tools are among the most comprehensive. Next thing, BuzzSumo's keyword and topic analysis is really strong. If you're managing content for a business or a blog, its ability to help you identify trending keywords and generate ideas for new content is solid. But do keep in mind that it's more focused on content performance rather than offering detailed scheduling or social inbox features, which platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer may provide better. The third thing to note is its influencer search feature. BuzzSumo helps you identify influencers in your industry, which can save a lot of time compared to manually searching. However, it's worth mentioning that it doesn't offer the same deep influencer outreach tools that a platform like Tracker might. So if you're heavily reliant on influencer marketing, this may be a factor to consider. Next thing, BuzzSumo does provide competitor research, allowing you to see what content is working for your competitors. This is great for staying ahead in the market, but it lacks some of the more detailed competitive analysis features you'd get with a tool like SEMrush. It's a solid start, but not the deepest if you're looking for comprehensive competitor breakdowns. The fifth thing you should know is that BuzzSumo's content performance metrics are helpful for social media analytics. You can see how your content is doing across different social platforms, but it doesn't provide the same level of in-depth social listening as a platform like Brandwatch. So if you're after a more detailed social media monitoring solution, BuzzSumo might feel limiting. Next, BuzzSumo's pricing is on the higher side compared to some competitors. While you get a lot of value for what you pay, it's definitely an investment. Platforms like Buffer or Sprout Social can be more affordable for teams or individuals just getting started, so you'll want to weigh whether the extra features are worth the cost. Seventh on the list is BuzzSumo's reporting capabilities. You can generate reports on content performance, but it's not as customizable as some of the more data-driven tools. If you're someone who requires a highly customizable reporting system, you might find BuzzSumo's features somewhat basic compared to others like Social Bakers. Next thing, the platform integrates with a variety of tools, including Google Analytics, MailChimp, and others, making it versatile for your marketing stack. However, BuzzSumo doesn't support as many integrations as Hootsuite or Sprout Social, which could be a limitation depending on your workflow. The ninth thing to consider is the ease of use. BuzzSumo is generally user-friendly, and its interface is clean, making it easy to navigate for most users. However, compared to competitors like Later, which is more intuitive for scheduling posts and managing multiple platforms, BuzzSumo's focus is more analytical, and that may not suit those looking for a more hands-on scheduling experience. The 10th thing is that BuzzSumo offers limited post-scheduling functionality. While it can be an essential tool for tracking content performance, if you're looking for full social media management, posting, engaging, etc., it may not cover everything you need. For that, something like Sprout Social or Buffer would provide a more well-rounded package. Next thing, customer support is one area where BuzzSumo excels. The support team is responsive, and there's a lot of help available through tutorials and FAQs. But compared to competitors like Hootsuite, some users have mentioned that the response times can sometimes be slow, especially during peak hours. The 12th thing you should know is that BuzzSumo's free trial is limited. It's a good way to test the platform, but some users report that they quickly hit the feature restrictions, making it hard to fully assess if the platform will meet all their needs before committing. All in all, BuzzSumo is a powerful tool for content research, performance tracking, and influencer insights, but it does have its limitations. It's a good option if you're focused on content analytics, but if you want something more comprehensive, we recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free. It offers more robust features and might be a better fit depending on your needs.